The class keyword. All of our C programs contain at least one class. The main method resides in one of these classes. Classes are a combination of data and functions that can be performed on this data in order to achieve the solutions to our problem. Classes in C# are defined using the class keyword followed by the name of class. The main method. This is how we define the main method. This is the standard signature of the main method in C#. The main method is the entry point of the program. That is, C# starts its execution from the first line of main method and terminate with the termination of the main method. The main method is designated as static as it will be called by the command language runtime or CLR without making any object of our hello world class. The method is also declared void as it does not return anything. Main is the standard name of this method, while string args is the list of parameters that can be passed to main while executing the program from command line. Note: one interesting point here is that it is legitimate to have multiple main methods in C program, but you have to explicitly identify which main method is the entry point at the runtime. Printing on the console. This line prints hello world on the console screen. Here we called writeLine method a static method of the console class defined in the system namespace. This method takes a string enclosed in double quotes as its parameter and prints it on the console window. C#, like other object-oriented languages, uses the dot operator. To access the member variables and methods of a class. Also, braces are used to identify methods in the code, and literals are enclosed in double quotation marks. Lastly, each statement in C# ends with a semicolon. Also called the statement terminator. Comments. We have three main comment types in C#: line comments, block comments, and documentation comments. First we see line comments. Comments are the program's text to explain the code, are ignored by the compiler, and are not included in the final executable code. The following double slash marks are line comments. The comments ends with the end of the line. Block comments. C# also supports the comment block. In this case, the whole block is ignored by the compiler. The start of the block is declared by /* and ends with */ C# introduced another kind of comment called documentation comments. C# can use these to generate the documentation for your classes and programs. These are line comments and start with // marks.